In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add duration in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to set up your sheet so Smartsheet automatically calculates the time between two dates and displays the result in a duration column. First, we need a place for the calculated result. Go to your sheet and right-click the top of any column header. Choose Insert Column Left or Insert Column Right, whichever fits your layout. In the Column Type menu, select Duration. Give this column a clear name. Something like Duration works great, so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Next, we'll set up the two date columns that the duration column will use. If you already have columns for start and end dates, you can simply change their types. If not, pick two columns near your duration column so everything stays organized. For each of these two columns, right-click the column header and choose Edit Column Properties. Change the column type to Date and save. Repeat that for the second date column. It helps to rename them to something descriptive, like Start Date and End Date, so you always know which is which. Now we'll enable the feature that makes Smartsheet calculate duration automatically. Right-click at the top of the sheet, on any column header is fine, and select Edit Project Settings. In the Settings panel, check the box for Dependencies. This turns on Smartsheet's project scheduling engine, which connects your date fields with the duration column. You don't need to change anything else here for this setup to work, so go ahead and confirm. With that in place, you're ready to see it in action. Enter a start date in your start date column and an end date in your end date column. As soon as both dates are in, the duration column will populate automatically with the calculated time between them. You'll see values like 3D for 3 days, and Smartsheet will keep this updated if you change either date. If you prefer a certain date format, you can adjust your sheet's region or date settings, but the calculation will work regardless. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Keep your date columns next to your duration column for easy scanning, and use consistent naming so collaborators understand which fields drive the calculation. If you ever notice different results than expected, remember that project settings can factor in working days and non-working days. The default works for most cases. And that's it. That's how to add duration in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future walkthroughs.